Ma'am, we have done the last.
Third
Ma'am,
one.
5.7. Ma'am, 5.7 exercise.
Question 3 I have given you. Question 3, what was it? Quickly tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What was it? Question 3.
15, 12, and 27.
15.
15, 12, and 27.
Have you all done it, or you want some more time?
I'm done.
Done? Or you want some more time? If you need time, then tell me. You need time?
Oh, ma'am.
No? So shall I start telling you what will be the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to take out factors of 15 first of all. Tell me the factors of 15 quickly. What are the factors of 15?
1, 3, 5, 15.
Very good, Utsav. 1, 3, 5, and 15. Very good. Okay. Now tell me the factors of 12. Now let me ask Lakshita, tell me the factors of 12 quickly.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
You are doing, Lakshita?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't know, but you can tell me the factors of 12. Tell me.
Ma'am, I'm doing this one only.
Okay. Then by the time Anshuman, tell me the factors of 12.
The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 6, and 12.
And what about 4?
And 4 also.
Yes, 4 also. Now write down the factors of 27. Let me ask Iram. Iram, tell me the factors of 27.
Page number.
Ma'am, 27 factors are 1, 3, 27.
1, 3, 27. Jayesh, tell me the factors of 27.
Ma'am, 1, 3, 9, and 27.
1, 3, 9, and 27. Very good, Jayesh.
Ma'am, which page number?
Hushang, please see what we have done in the previous period. The previous period we have done question 1 and 2 in our maths notebook. Now we are doing question 3. Now you will write common factors. Common factors of 15,
Ma'am,
12. Wait, let
Ma'am?
me. Haan, beta.
ma'am, I have just come. Can you tell me what we are doing?
What we are doing? We have done in previous period we have done this. Now we are doing it again. We are completing it. I have
Okay,
given
ma'am.
in previous period this question to solve. Okay, 1 is common in both. 1 is common in 3 of them. So we will circle this 1, 1, 1. 3, 3, 3. 5 is not coming, 9 is not coming, 27 is not coming. So which is the LCM? Oh, sorry, common factors. 1 and 3.
Ma'am, 1 and
Very good. Very,
1 and 3.
very good. Now write down the fourth question and solve it. Fourth is 16, 18, and 48. Do this quickly yourself.
Ma'am, after completed it, we have to send pictures.
Yes. They have changed your name.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, हाँ beta. Yes.
Excuse me.
I hope it is much clear now.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good.
Ma'am, I can post on WhatsApp.
Who is this Meetu Gupta? Who joined in? Tell me your name. Meetu Gupta, what is your name, beta? Who joined in right now? 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6. Then Devansh. Good. Very good, Devansh.
9.
Very good.
Ma'am, 9.
Yes.
Ma'am, 18.
Very
18.
good. Very good, Devansh. Oh, very well done, Devansh.
And 48 can I?
Now, the factors of 48, I am going to tell you because many of you are making mistake here. Just look here. I am making 48 is a big number and it has so many factors. So, first factor will be 1
Okay, ma'am.
and 48. Okay. Now, 48 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So, let's see when it comes in the table of 2. 2, 2s are 4, 8, 2 4s are 8. 24 times. So 2 you will write here and 24 you will write here. Now 48. Let's see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. How can you check whether 48 is divisible by 3 or not?
Ma'am, I have done an.
Not by dividing.
Ma'am, I have done and posted on the group.
Abhi, I will see it, sir. Don't speak like that. What I'm asking, I want that answer. Yes, Anshuman.
Then by adding the digits and the answer will come, it should be divisible by 3.
Very good, Utsav. Very well done. 4 plus 8 is what? 8 plus 4? Or 4 plus 8 is what? 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Yes, that means it is divisible by 3. So let's see when 48 comes in the table of 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 18. 3 6 are 18. So it comes 16 times. So 3 and 6. So you will write 3 here and 6 here, 16 here, which most of you were missing in your answer. Now let's see 48 is divisible by 4 or not. 48, 4 ones are 4, 0, 8 comes here, 4 twos are 8 minus, yes, it comes in the table of 4. 4 12s are 4 12s are 5 की table में does not come, 6 की table में, yes, 6 8s are 48. So there is no space, so I am writing here. 6 8s are 48. 7 की table में it does not come, again 8 comes, now we will stop, now we will not check. Okay, so I'm going to rub this side now. You know, no need to rub it if you have done this. Okay, now let us see the common factors. Okay, now, Iram, tell me, is there any common factor? Which is the first common factor you can see, Iram, here?
Ma'am, the first common factor is
1. Very good. Okay. Next factor, 2, 2, 2. 2 is coming in all three of them. 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now 4, 3, 3. 3 is not coming in this. 4 is not coming in this. Then you can see 6 coming here, but 6 is not here. 8 is here, 8 is not there. 16 is here, 16 is here, not here, but 16 is here. So let it be. Okay, we have seen, beta, we will check from this में सबसे कम factors होते हैं. Where there are least factors. In which number? 16 na? So we will check 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, but it is not here. 8 is not there, but 8 is here. 16 is here. So what will be the answer? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Seth, the number which is having least number of factors. 16 is having least number of factors. So we will check 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is not there, 8 is not there, 16 is not there. So we will stop there, and 1 and 2 are the common factors. Now, take out new page, or you can continue from the same page itself. If you have a new page, if you want to start from a new page, you can start from a new page. Now, yes, Iram.
Ma'am, there is 6 also.
What?
Ma'am, there is also factor of 48.
Yes, 6 is also a factor of 48, Iram.
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Abhi, I will check. Please don't speak like that in between. Okay. Now, write question B on the top. Write question B.
Ma'am,
Write question B. Fine. As you wish. Right, find HCF of the following. Right, question 1. HCF is same as common factors, but only you have to take out the highest one. I hope everyone has done this. This is question 1 and question 2 I'm writing here. Do this quickly.
My today's data is finished. Done in today's class, please send it on my personal number.
Okay, no need to record. My light is being here, so it's okay. It's all fine. Beta, you can do one thing. All of you listen. At the top of the page, you can write down the full form of HCF. Highest common factor. First, you have to find out the factor. Then you have to find out the common. Then you have to find out the highest. Like this, we go. Highest common factor. Highest common factor.
I'm done.
Again, tell me the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. Factors of 18, tell me quickly.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 6 and 18. 9 and 18. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now find out the common between them. See what is common between them. 1 is coming here, 1 is coming here, 3 is coming here, 3 is coming here, 5 is not here, 15 is not here. So which is the highest common factor?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Yes.
3.
Now do this one, second one. Write factors of 30. Find out the factors of 30. Then find out the factors of 40. Do not miss any factor in between. Then write HCF 30, 40. Yes, good. Anshuman, very good. Correct, Anshuman. Don't wait for me. Just send me the answers quickly. Okay, see. 1 and 30 will be one of the factors. 2 and 2 15s are 30s there. Okay, Lakshita has sent me the answer. Very good, Lakshita. 2 and 15 is correct. 3 10s are 30. 4 में it does not come in the table of 4. 5, 6 are 30, and 5 after 5 it comes 6. 6 is there. So these are all factors of 30. Check the factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30 are the factors of 30. Now see, factors of Iram, I'm going to check it. Okay, Iram, now it is better. But some of the factors are you are still missing, Iram, in 40. Now see, 41 and 40 is the correct answer. Sorry, 1 and 40. Then 2 2s are 4, 20s are 2 20s are 3 table it does not come. 4 table, yes, 4 10s are 40. 4 10s are 40. 5 8s are 40. Okay, 6 table it does not come. 7 table it does not come. 8 table it comes, but 8 is already here, so we will stop now. Now we will not find out more factors. Now let us check what is common here. Lakshata, tell me what are common here.
Ma'am, 1, 2,
1,
5, and 10.
1 is common, then
Ma'am, 2.
2,
Ma'am, 2.
2,
Ma'am, 5
5, then
and 10.
and 10. Now 1, 2, 5, 10. There are 4 common factors coming. 1, 2, 5, 10. What is the highest one? Now we have find out factors. We have found out the common. Now we have to find out the H. Highest. Which is the highest among these? 1, 2,
10.
5, and 10.
Ma'am, 10.
10 is the
Ma'am,
highest. So 10 is the correct answer. 10. HCF of 30 and 40 is 10. Correct. See this quickly. Many of you have written factors of 40 wrong. Correct them. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. Okay, let me check the answers of yours. Hey, she still not send me the answers. Now, okay, see question 3. I'm going to rub this question B. Question C3 we will do. How much time is left? Only less than 1 minute is left. Okay, beta, by the time I'm going to teach you, only 1.5 minutes is left. I'm not going to give you third question. Third question I will give in next class. I'm going to teach you one method to take out prime factor method. See here, look here everyone, those who have done. A very easy method I'm going to tell you. Prime factorization method. It is not in your syllabus, still I'm teaching you. Okay, just look here on the board. You will find easy to find LCM and HCF if you know this method. Now see, prime factorization method is what? Suppose this number is 18. 18. What we have to find its prime factors. So how we will find 18 is given to us. Tell me the first prime number. What is the first prime number? Quickly.
Ma'am, 2.
2. 2 is the first prime number. So, is it divisible by 2? 18 is divisible by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So,
ma'am.
what we will do, we will write 2 here. If it is divisible by 2, we will write 2 here. When 18 comes in the table of 2, tell me. When?
Ma'am, 9.
2 9s are
9.
18. 2, 9 I will write here and 18 will be here. Okay. Now 9. Is it divisible by 2? 9 is divisible by 2? Yes or no?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is it divisible by 3? Next prime number is what? 3. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will divide it by 3. 3, 3. How much times comes?
Ma'am, 3
Sir?
is